This is the iWIMIUS P65 Full HD Smart Projector. Let's open the box to see what comes in its box. This projector has a 3 years warranty. You have to register to get it. It has pre-installed applications like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. Of course, you need to log in with your own credentials to benefit from these applications. It's actually very light and very small. It has an internal speaker. You have something called brand kit. This is the accessories box. And this is a projector. It is well protected. And it has all the bells and whistles like autofocus, auto keystone, smart obstacle avoidance, and automatic screen alignment. It has also Wi-Fi 6 and HDR10 support. And its fan noise is lower than 30 dBs. On the front of the projector, you have the lens. It is protected by a lens cap. It says Full HD. This is a sensor for the autofocus and the keystone. It has Dolby audio. From the side, you have some venting holes here. And from the other side, you also have venting holes. But on top of that, you also have a filter that you can remove to clean it from time to time. And from the back, you have all the inputs and the outputs. A power input, infrared extender if you need to, USB input, audio output jack, HDMI input, and this is the power button. Now on the bottom of the projector, you have these rubber feet. And this is a lever here in case you put it on a desktop. And this is a 1/4 inch thread in case you want to put it on a tripod. Its brightness is 1000 lumens and it has a contrast ratio of 20,000 to 1. The light source operating life is 50,000 hours, so it should last you for years and years. And under the rubber feet, if you open it, you see that you have screw holes in case you want to hang it from the ceiling. Now in the box on top of the projector, you have some documentation, a power cable, HDMI cable, a remote control with shortcuts, a cleaning tools. So this is a soft cloth and these are Q-tips to clean it. And this is a brand kit. I think this is like a welcome card or maybe warranty and stuff like that. And this is everything you get in the box.